Hi there and welcome back. We had a huge drop in temperature this week from 36 degrees down to 21, or from 96 to 69 Fahrenheit, which is quite good because I can wear my bib overalls again. And that's very necessary because there are so many things to do this week. So let's get started. Having a day job from Monday to Friday, I always start my weekend with some gardening. Mowing the lawn is the best way to leave all the trouble and problems behind. The good thing about mowing is that you immediately see a result of your work. No office job has this satisfying effect. Unfortunately, we did not have enough rain this summer. The lawn that should be rich green now in August is more or less brownish. Even lawn sprinkling didn't help. Let's hope that autumn will bring some rain. Concealed behind this plastic sheet is last week's disaster. Well, to be honest, I just nailed the plastic sheet onto the wall to protect the OSB from weathering. The plan for this weekend is to finish the insulation and entire wall. Removing the protecting tape and hardened spray foam should be easy, and it is. Just a box cutter and it looks as there has never been any mess at all. A very satisfying job, by the way. These wooden slats act just as spacers for the insulation. Next to holding the plywood, they have no structural purpose. I mention this because some of you have been wondering in the comments at my way of building this substructure. The roof is already sitting on the existing building. The new wall has just to carry its own weight that's transferred down to the new foundation. Small spaces like these are always good for getting rid of all these little offcuts and leftovers. Although the attic is not insulated yet, I decided to put rock wool up to the crown, in case I should decide to open the ceiling one day and install a cathedral ceiling. My plan is to cover the entire house with board and batten one day it's finished. Just let me know in the comments what you would do or if you have other recommendations. Unfortunately, at that time I ran out of OSB. You might ask yourself why there are already holes in this new window frame. The answer is quite simple. They are there to let out condensed water in case there is any. These caps keep bugs from coming in. One wall is nearly finished, 3 more to go. But before I start the next project, I have to tidy up all the mess that's left behind from this project.
May you always keep your head held up high, pretty little thing.
It is always easier to start with a tidy workshop. So let's get into it.
I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past.
This looks already much better.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul.
See you next week when I start with the back wall. In the meantime, you should subscribe if you still haven't yet. Stay healthy, till next week.